Where shall we go? What shall we choose? Whatever we do, there's no time to lose. Let's turn the big spinner and I'll say the rhyme. What's gonna happen today on Sho-Time?
Hello, I'm Sho. Welcome to Create Time. Today we're going to add a little bit of explore time into our creations. All you need is some cardboard, scissors and some crayons and you're ready to go. Whoa, what is it, Luther?
A vase! Okay, time for monkeys. Winnie, make it go.
So now it's time to either head out to your garden or go for a walk and find some flowers and leaves to fill up your vases.
A lot of daisies over here, so maybe a little bit daisy.
Yeah, you could add some grass. Who have you got here?
Mommy, I know that. What goes inside? Glass can't fit in because
Did you stick my head on?
I want the
Okay.
No,
Let's see nose. Who's that? Who's that, Right, Nola, who do you want? Do you want Nola or Mummy?
Mommy.
Okay, go and take Mummy then. And I'll have Nola. Do you like Nola's green plant dress? You're going to give Mummy a green plant dress. Aww. Thank you, I love it. Oh, look at Nola's dress. Oh, I love your dress too, Nola. Time is up. We have to go. We hope you had fun and enjoyed the show. See you next time to say the rhyme and spin again for